name is Jingxiam, and I'm in Allied Health W, first year. What we do in class, we do a lot of hands-on, like vital signs, wheelchair, and making beds, like we are actually in the hospital treating patients. What we learn in class, we learn medical terminology, skeletal system, conditions and disease, and body parts, and these are like the ones that we learn for this semester, but we will be learning many more. We also don't just sit around and learn, but we also move around doing crafts while learning about our skeletal system and body parts. We do many more activities like how to talk to patients, how we handle them, and how to care for them. If this is something that interests you, come join CACC.
Hello everybody, my name is Siam. I'm currently a fourth grade teacher at Prairie View in the Lakeview district. My experience going to CACC, it was great. I went to Lakeview for high school, and then my junior year I went to the CACC for Education Academy, and I would recommend it to other students because it was truly helpful for me to figure out which type of career I wanted to go. Ever since I was young, I knew that I wanted to go into education. However, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go into like the lower L or upper elementary, or becoming a middle school teacher or high school or even like college, right? But after I went to CACC and I was in the program of Education Academy, all the in-person things that we get to do and all the learning things that we get to do, it really helped me figure out which path I wanted to take. And from then on, I went on to college, and then I was able to pursue what I wanted to do, and now I've been teaching for 3 years.
If you are interested in the CACC website, you can go on calhounisd.org and it will take you to the district website. Once you are there, you can see under Teaching and Learning, Calhoun Area Career Center, or you can go back up and on the right side, it will also say Teaching and Learning, Calhoun Area Career Center, and you can click on that. Once you are on there, you can see it leads you to their actual website, CACC. So on this website, you see the main office hours, our building administrative teams, and then once you scroll down a little bit more, you can see parent and student orientation, the school calendar, CACC student handbook, and transcript. And then you can go back up, and once you go back up, under programs, you can see the different programs that CACC has. But if you want to learn more about the programs, you can click on that, and it says who we are and the CACC's vision as preparing students for tomorrow's career, the CACC's mission, which is educating all students and fostering their growth in skills necessary for success. Once you scroll down, you can see the different programs of 2024 to 2025, arts and communication, business management, marketing, technology, engineering, manufacturing, industrial technology, health science, human services, natural resources, and agri-science. Once you are there, you can look on the right again and you can click any of the programs. So I clicked on Allied Health. On this program, it shows the program description and what related careers that you can have after CACC is done.